Lot 29 is a very attractive Georgian pear-cased pocket watch signed Blanchard and Son of Hull. The white enamel dial has a hand-painted nautical scene, and the numerals have been replaced in order to spell the name Joseph Turpin. This would have been done as a bespoke order for the original owner, presumably a Mr. Turpin. The lower sub-seconds dial is enlarged, and unusually this has a stop function. A small lever allows the second hand to be stopped, allowing this to be used as a rudimentary chronograph or to help with the accuracy of the setting. The second hand is not independent, however, and pressing the lever will stop the watch altogether. The movement has a fusee with a verge escapement. The top plate is signed and the balance cock is pierced and heavily decorated. As an interesting addition, inside the protective outer case are two watchmakers' paper labels. The first is from the original makers, Blanchard and Son of Silver Street, Hull, purveyors of plate and gold rings, patent, duplex, and horizontal watches, along with a label from another watchmaker, Steward of Long Ousegate, York, who may have serviced the watch. This watch is estimated at £400 to £600.